Hi friends, as soon as the video begins, you are pulled into a moment that many would turn away from. I am carefully removing a blood filled ticks from deep inside a stray dog's ear. This scene is uncomfortable, raw, and very real. It's not staged, it's not easy, but this is what compassion looks like when no one else is watching. The dog stays still, does not move an inch, as if he knows someone is finally helping him. After this short but intense moment, I gently reach into my bag, take out a clean bowl, and pour fresh milk into it. The dog looks at me, hesitant, uncertain whether to trust. I slowly place the bowl in front of him and take a step back. He sniffs it, then begins drinking. He is so hungry, and you can almost see the relief in every gulp he takes. I sit nearby, not touching, just watching. I want him to feel safe. I try to reach out once just to show affection, but he flinches. Maybe he remembers pain from humans. Maybe kindness is still new to him. So I wait, I let the silence build trust as he continues drinking. My eyes keep scanning his body. I can already spot more ticks stuck behind his neck, on his shoulders, and near his legs. His fur is patchy, his skin is red and dry. Once he is finished drinking most of the milk, I slowly move in again. This time I start removing the remaining ticks from different parts of his body. One by one, carefully, gently, not to hurt him. Some of them are so tightly latched onto him it takes time and patience to loosen them. He stays calm as if accepting this small act of mercy. No barking, no growling, just silence and trust. This video may look like just another rescue clip, but it's more than that. It's about giving back dignity to an animal that's been ignored. It's about showing that even one small moment of care, removing ticks, offering milk, and sitting beside a scared dog can mean the world. As the video closes, I am still there beside him, removing one last tick while he sits peacefully, finally feeling noticed. This is what compassion in action looks like. Even though most of the milk was gone, the dog stayed close. He looked up at me, not begging, not fearful, just calm. I took a quiet breath and leaned a little closer. This time he did not move away. That small gesture felt like a huge milestone. I gently touched his head, softly brushing away the dirt matted in his fur. It was rough, dry, and full of tiny scabs, but he let me. That simple act of trust hit me harder than words ever could. I knew I had more ticks to remove, so I slowly began working on the erase behind his legs and along his back. There were places he probably could not scratch. The deeper I looked, the more I realized how long he had been suffering silently. His skin was inflamed, been suffering silently. His skin was inflamed and flaky, and the ticks were tightly attached, hiding deep in the folds of his body. Thanks for everyone watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on my TikTok account and follow my Facebook account. Thank you everyone.